This is a Marley Soundbar. Just traveled around with us a fair bit, a few scratches, etc., but it doesn't work anymore. And I rang up the company and to see how to get into it, because there's no screws to get into it. And they just said it's a sealed unit, and if it's broken, you can't do anything about it, basically. And so I thought, well, if I've got to throw the thing away, and it costs like $600 or something like that, so I might as well try and fix it. So here I go. There's a screw. Ta-da! So I'm just going to take the other bits off, get to the other screws, and we'll see what we can do from there. So take this off. More screws are appearing. See this. Cool. Comes off. Right, now we can see some screws under here. So I'm glad I didn't go too far prizing the back off, the front of this thing off. So let's get rid of these screws. Some little clips in here to hold this thing together. Then you can see these, they pop out. So I'm just taking out the last two screws. Bracket, I can see it's coming away already, which is a great sign. So the last one. Now this, careful speakers, now comes off. Well, I've taken this apart as much as I can, and I've noticed that look down here, this circuit board, there's a capacitor down here that seems to have popped. So I'm going to take this circuit board out and replace that capacitor, and I'll see what other components seem to have a problem. Now I've taken out the circuit board, and I believe that this capacitor here is popped. So I'm going to grab another one, replace it, bought a capacitor, so I'm now going to desolder this, clean it all up, and let's see what happens. Okay, the capacitor's been changed. And before I put it back together again, I'm just going to check to make sure it actually works, otherwise it's all going to go in the bin. Turn it on. Press it one more time, I think, for Bluetooth. Oh, there we go. There's a beat. Now it should be on Bluetooth. And look at that, it's playing a great track called Pass the Cheese. It's working. Let's see if it starts crackling or anything like it did before. It wouldn't play anything before, so it seems to be okay. Brilliant. Okay, well, thanks to my professional video. Thanks to my assistant here, who helped me do lots of stuff.
That's very important.
A very important person, lots of stuff. Took me to JCar and helped with passing screwdrivers and pulling the thing apart. And gee, it's going to be a job to put this back together again. Like, I've got screws all over the place, but I just got to work it out. And great, put it back together and job done.
Yay.
Thanks for watching. Hey!